Hello friends, today we are going to talk about GST rate rationalization, how it will impact to the common man. So if you are aware, with introduction of GST, most of the SSC were registered who were either in excise, service tax or VAT. They were migrated to the GST. So there were very few who are newly registered in the GST. So the only source for the revenue to the government was higher GST rates. Eventually, GST registered SICs have increased and people are more compliant to the GST, which resulted into higher GST collections over the years. If you refer the numbers of GST collections over the years, it has increased substantially and now it is growing at steady pace. So, I would say the SSC are more vigilant and more interested to be compliant in this indirect tax. So with higher GST collection, it's a pure message to the industry and to the government that people are now responsible and they are more vigilant and they are more willing to be compliant. So as the GST is increased and more people are ready to file their returns and more to be compliant, so it's now a phase has come that the government should reconsider that GST rate rationalization should be there. So those who are still not under the mainstream should also get motivated by rate rationalizations. So earlier what happened was that due to the cascading effect, the people were not ready to get them registered. With introduction of GST, more and more people are getting registered because if they are not registered, they will not be able to get ITC, their cost will shoot up and their profit will get down. So they register themselves and contribute to the IDT collection and to the nations. So now time has come that GST rate should be rationalized. So the government should not only reduce the GST rates on the finished product, they should also consider that what are the inputs and input surveys or whatever the goods you are used in this production, final production should also be rationalized. Because unless and until it has not been done, this will not impact to the end users. So reducing only the finished product will not help to the industry or to the economy. Hence, if you are thinking for reducing the GST rates and to pass on the benefit to the end users, you should also consider that all the products which are used in the production should also get benefited of the GST rationalization. Hope this video is useful to you to understand how GST rate rationalization will impact to the common man. Thank you so much.